Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update, and a lot of weather happenings for us today, including the potential to see some snow, mainly north of Interstate 30. Temperatures falling through the 30s fairly quickly here. The rain is still around, so what's happening? Most of us already feeling the colder air this morning, so the cold front making its way through, and a lot of the rain that's falling is into the cold air here, so that's not often a setup that we see here. Sometimes the rain right along the front and it pushes out quickly, but we're just not seeing that this morning. So with some lingering rain out there, pretty good chance we will see some snowflakes today north of Interstate 30. So you can see the spread in temperatures. Most of us waking up to temperatures in the 50s in Louisiana. Really dropped across the northern Arklatex. We're down to 34 in Idabel and Texarkana at 41 at the moment, and we will continue to see the temperatures drop through the day. So that's why we're expecting we will see a bit of a change over into some sleet and some snow north of Interstate 30. Already on radar seeing some indications that that is happening. Keep in mind the radar is in Shreveport, so that beam goes out. Of course, the earth is curved, so the further we get away from the radar, which is very far in McCurtain County where we're seeing some of those winter weather returns, the beam shooting up into the sky. So it's likely picking up some ice crystals, some snow that is probably reaching the ground as rain at this point. But during the upcoming hours here, any time between now and probably 11 a.m. noon, we could see some snow where the rain lingers north of Interstate 30. Texarkana kind of right on the line. I wouldn't be surprised if we did see just a little bit of snow there, but bottom line today, we're not expecting any accumulations. Yesterday we had temperatures in the 60s and 70s, so the roads are fairly warm, so it will melt off rapidly. Don't expect that we'll see much, if any, ice on the bridges and overpasses today, so the impacts here will be minimal, but we could see a dusting of snow on some of the grassy surfaces like your lawn, and of course metallic surfaces like your car. So that's something we'll be watching for you this morning. And if you do see any snowfall, send us an email, weather@ktalnews.tv, and just kind of let us know what's going on. Snap a picture, of course, post it to Facebook or Twitter. We'd love to share it on air for you today. Here's a look at your Robins Toyota Futurecast. I think it's probably a little bit quick with the rain at this point. It does show things drying out in Texarkana at about 9 a.m. I think the rain will be in Texarkana a little bit longer than that, but notice the temperatures. They'll continue just a steady fall through the day. So once we hit the afternoon hours today, most of us will be in the 30s and low 40s, and there will be kind of a chilly north wind setting in behind the front. Futurecast shows the rainfall wrapping up in Shreveport after sunset tonight, which I do agree with, and it does push all of the rain south and out of the region by tonight. Should begin to see clearing skies after midnight tonight. There will be some clouds between sunset and midnight, but we should see clearing conditions as we head into your Wednesday morning, and it sets up some cold temperatures for us. Many of us tonight in the 20s and low 30s. I do have everybody at or below freezing, so again tonight, don't forget to bring the pets inside. Here's a look at the rainfall totals. Really no big changes with the map compared to what we've been showing you for the last few days. Still anticipate we could see some areas pick up maybe half an inch of rain, so some wet roadways this morning, but no significant issues as far as any flooding. And just for fun, plotting out the snowfall potential there, it does show some locations, especially across Hempstead and Nevada counties, picking up some accumulating snow there. But I think bottom line for us with the snow is just kind of minimal impacts today, but maybe kind of neat to see it out there as we head through the morning hours. We should have temperatures above freezing in all areas once we hit the noon hour today. So once we hit the afternoon, that snow chance completely shutting off for us. There's a look at the 7-day. It's kind of cold tomorrow, but it will be a big jump from where we are today. We'll have sunshine back for your Wednesday and Thursday. A few clouds Friday weekend. Looks great. Very similar to this last weekend, maybe a little more sunshine, and temperatures pushing 70 degrees by Sunday, and it looks like another storm system on the way Monday. This one maybe not as cold as the one we're seeing today, but we can expect some rain and thunderstorms to begin next week.